Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is Vibin, and in today's video, we're going to be cleaning my keyboard. The right arrow key doesn't work, so I'm hoping to get that thing to be working. Look at how beautiful my keyboard is. Isn't it beautiful? This is a voiceover because I totally butchered the first bit of this and didn't have my mic on. So yeah, but look at that keyboard. We're going to be doing a deep clean of taking this thing all apart, rubbing alcohol all over it, and getting that thing looking all pretty. So, yeah, let's go on ahead and get into that. Okay, so I've got a very jank setup here. I don't know where the tripod is for my webcam, so you're just going to be mounted right there, okay? Good enough, right? So this is it. Here's the keyboard in all of its glory, and I've got the essentials here. I've got the keycap remover to remove all of these keycaps. I've got some compressed air here to rubbing alcohol, cotton balls, and cotton swabs. So let's go ahead and let's get into this. We're going to start by just removing every single keycap. If you've never taken apart your keyboard before, and you get to the space bar here, and you're like, oh, this doesn't stretch wide enough to grab it. So all you have to do is just kind of goes under there. And then you'll just give a tug on the other side. And you can just give it a little tug, and that comes off. This is really just connected by three things. Yeah, you can kind of see all the hairs and stuff. So it's always good to clean your keyboard, yeah? So I'm going to go just like one step further, debating on using the vacuum because I don't have a lot of condensed or compressed air left, but let's just see. Also, don't be an idiot and do that all over your desk. Lint rollers. They work wonders at doing that. There we go. We got most of the most of the hairs and whatnot blasted out of this now. So now comes the fun part. If you look, you'll notice that you can see it kind of here for the motherboard, but you can't see it anywhere else. Well, that's because we have the top case on. So we have to remove that. Preferably it's going to be something plastic so it doesn't really damage this, but if you're like me and you don't have anything plastic, then screwdriver. Careful with this, okay? You don't want to break anything on your keyboard or destroy it. Okay, cool. So, now that we've got this bad boy off, this is completely taken off now. This is the first cover. I'm gonna clean this one as well. Oh. Well, I think I found the issue. Right at this bottom one, it's sticky. So I must not have done too good of a job of cleaning this the last time that I ever did this. And we're going to clean this. Now be careful, you don't want to break anything here because otherwise your keyboard will no longer work. But we're going to clean right there. cotton swab. Get some rubbing alcohol on there. We're just going to clean away. It's like, but now what I want to do is I want to clean in between where all of that hair was. We blasted it out, but there's still some little remainders. She's looking pretty clean now. This may be extremely stupid. If it is, let me know down below. Just please, for the love of God, like, yo, stupid. Don't do that. Do this. Okay. This is not a hot swappable too either. These are all soldered on. I don't have a soldering gun or settling for it. Clean your keyboards regularly, people. Get you. Yeah, that's what I thought, nerds. He's not sticking around. And since this had the sticky, I found it. See, look, it's sticky. Ew. Cool. Fans are, look at that fan. That is blowing right on the stuff. Now come my Lego pieces. Bowl. Big hole for rubbing alcohol. Now I can okay, spacebar, you're too big. But you guys can just start to take a bath. Yo, is this like ASMR? Hold up. I smell like an alcoholic. Ooh, I can see stuff floating around in there. Oh, it's working. We dropped more Legos in. Slosh them around. It's either really stupid or really smart. Hey, wait, more possible ASMR? Oh yeah, now comes the big boy. See? He doesn't like baths. It is literally right above the water! What? Rubbing hole, this is water. We're beating it. See? Now we beat the rubbing alcohol off. Now we gotta scrub it up in the tub. Come here, little space bar. Oh, little tiny circles. Oh, I'm discovering every little cut that I have on my fingers. Now I want to clean this boy. I can't fit my head through it. I don't have any more compressor. We can begin building.
11 minutes later.
Ooh, oh my god, I'm a genius. Oh my god, I did it. Make sure you line up your holes. And then Lego bricks. More Lego bricks. Now I don't know if you noticed this. These boys are written in Japanese, I think. I don't know how to read what they say. So I gotta play a little puzzle game. Building commence. All right, cool. And we got the numbers done. Oh no, what's that? It's a wild sub. Please subscribe. Don't know how that got there. That's not where those keys go. RTUIL. Astrological. Zygblum. So we're back. Clean keyboard. Possibly a working right key. Only one way to test. Oi! Oh, hey, hey, oh, hey, hey, hey. You see it? You see it? You see it? See it? Look. You see? Look. Right, left. It works. I did it. But thank you all so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Hopefully it all comes out good and stuff, you know. Wanted to do something a little different from Genshin. And maybe have some more videos, because now I can play a game that I want to play that requires the keys. So yeah. I'll see you all in the next one. Bye.